How to fix apps not downloading on App Store in iPhone. Open your settings and go to cellular. Now you want to tap on cellular data option, which is on the second one, and then you have to make sure that low data mode is turned off. Now the next step you want to do is go to the setting homepage again, and then you want to scroll down and tap on App Store. Then here you want to tap on app downloads and make sure you have selected always allow. Then you want to go back to the homepage of the settings. This might help you solve the problem, or if it doesn't, then you have to move on to the next step. That is, you want to go back to your home screen of your phone, and then you want to open App Store. Once you enter the screen, you want to tap on the profile, which is on the top right corner. Then you just want to do is scroll down to the bottom, and then you want to tap on sign out, and simply you want to sign out of your App Store. Then you want to sign in again and then tap on done, and this might help you solve your problem. If not, then next thing you can do is you want to go to the settings of your phone, then tap on general, then you want to scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, then tap on reset, and then tap on reset network settings. Then you want to enter your password of your phone. Then after typing the password, you want to type on reset network settings. And those are some ways how you can fix app not downloading on App Store on iPhone. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I really hope this video helped you out.